Doors are opening in the Campbell Station shopping district. Here you'll find more than 10 restaurants that will tempt you with diverse cuisine from Thai-Asian fusion, Colombian, Italian, and traditional American flavor. You'll be impressed with the wide range of retail and service providers. You will find medical and dental offices near Grigsby Chapel and in the Village Green Shopping Center, as well as along Kingston Pike. Service providers are plentiful, so make an appointment and treat yourself. Our local business owners look forward to seeing you soon, and we want you to know that shopping local is vital to keeping our stores and our community vibrant and growing. Be sure to download a directory of the Campbell Station Shopping District at visitfarragut.org and follow Visit Farragut on Facebook and Instagram. We're excited to introduce you to the businesses and services in the Campbell Station Shopping District.